Do you ever feel like you try and you try and try, but nothing happens? Do you ever feel like you have goals and you go at it and then it's like it's so hard to get there? Do you feel like you're always in stress? And even with the affirmations, with the positive mind, or reading the books that sound so pretty and so nice, still your life doesn't change. If it does, you may be like me. That was me many years ago, before this process called PSYCH-K showed up in my life in 2009. And it showed up after reading Bruce Lipton and his wonderful book, The Biology of Belief, where I discovered that all that I was trying to do with my conscious mind was not enough, because I needed to access my subconscious mind. And the subconscious mind is extremely powerful, at least 1,000,000 times more powerful than your conscious mind. And that's where you have stored all your beliefs or your perceptions, all those experiences that make you who you are today. Some of those are wonderful, some of those are painful and difficult to change apparently. Yet, when we access the subconscious mind with this process called PSYCH-K, which you can learn in a 3-day basic workshop, then you can give your subconscious mind new information and become the architect and the designer of a better life, of a life where there is more peace, of a life where there is more joy, of a life where you are a better version of you. If this interests you, then you can register to the next basic workshop. We'll be very happy to have you there. If this sounds like something that it's something you'd like to explore, but you need to know more, write to us and we'll be ready to give you more information so that you can make a better choice for yourself.